Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 23rd April 2024. In this video, let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for monthly income trade and a weekly income trade. They are nothing but swing or positional income trades. So before the generation, a small announcement. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available in our NeoStock YouTube channel. I kept the videos in a playlist Supply Demand Zone Price Action course. I also provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. If you click the link, you will get into this page and then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into the report generation. The first report is a bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. Monthly income trade entry time frame is daily. For bullish trade setup, your entry zone should be demand zone. And in bullish bearish trade setup parameter, for monthly income trade, that is entry time frame daily, you have to select the value bullish. And three filters we are going to set. We don't want any piercer zones for our demand zones, because entry zone is demand zone. We don't want any piercer zones. So there is a parameter pierced count. In daily time frame, this is entry time frame. Set minimum value 0, maximum value 0, indicates pierced count should be 0. Pierced count 0 means the zone is not pierced. Which is on demand zone, because our entry zone is a demand zone. And the second filter, our zone achievement should be VOZ, violated opposing zone. And the third filter, minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. So with these filters, we are filtering bullish trade setup stocks for monthly income trade. So these 14 stocks are filtered. Currently these 14 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for monthly income trade, that is entry time frame is daily. I'll be giving you only few seconds time and move on to the next report. So please pause the video. You can study all these stocks, all these columns. And also you can draw the zones on the charts using these leg in, base and leg out columns. If you are not aware of how to understand this report, I clearly explained this entire report in detail, all the columns, all the abbreviations in detail in lesson 21.1. So please refer that video in our training lessons. Okay, I am going back to the next report. Now let us generate bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. So monthly income trade entry time frame is daily, but bearish trade setup entry zone should be supply zone. That is our entry time frame, entry zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter in daily time frame, this time I am selecting bearish. Remaining filters are same as what we set earlier. Now let us filter the stocks. So these three stocks are filtered. They are supporting bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. Now let us generate bullish and bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. For weekly income trade, entry time frame is 75 minutes. And bullish trade setup entry zone should be demand zone. And also in bullish bearish trade setup parameter, this time in 75 minutes time frame, you need to select bullish. And the three filters, first one, we don't want 75 minutes pierced demand zones. So that's why pierced count in 75 minutes time frame, you need to set minimum value 0, maximum value 0. And zone achievement should be violated opposing zone, VOZ. And minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. Now let us filter the stocks. Now these 15 stocks are filtered and they are supporting bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. Okay, now let us generate bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. I am going back. So weekly income trade entry zone should be 75. For bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. And in bullish bearish trade setup parameter, in 75 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value bearish. And remaining filters are same. The 3 filters what we set earlier. Now let me filter the stocks. So these 4 stocks are filtered. That means they are supporting bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. In the last report, we will generate the stop buffers based on daily ATR. Stop buffers. So based on daily ATR, I am generating. This is the daily ATR. 15% ATR should be used for a monthly income trade. 10% ATR should be used for weekly income trade. And the first 17 in this list are indices. Remaining all are equity stocks listed in F&O segment. So I keep on scrolling this list down by giving you a few seconds time. Any of the stock you want to refer, there you please pause the video. Okay, I am scrolling down. Okay, so this is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.